Here I have ESSENTIELB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the Smart Manager section, then go to the battery detail, and here you have the battery percentage. You can set it like to do not show battery percentage at all. You can set it to show it inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon. I'll just set it inside the icon like it was before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.